Hey, good morning guys, this is Jad here. Today we'll be installing this K&N filter on my Ford F-150. It's time to replace my old filter on this truck, so we'll do it installed and then before and after sound of the truck, okay? So stay tuned. Filter install. Now we'll see how it sounds. So K&N filter installed now. You guys could hear the difference on the exhaust. I could feel a slight difference on the acceleration of the car. It's a lot smoother. It's actually a lot faster too. So you guys be the judge. Okay, I haven't driven the truck yet. I will drive the truck and see how to perform. But so far, actually, it sounds a little better, and it does. The acceleration is slightly better too when I'm stopped, okay, on a cold start. Alright, thank you for watching guys.